You know I'm rolling diamonds on my wrist like an Arabian, million dollar grid, like Arabian, $1,000 hit, sipping Arabian, get it how you live, like an Arabian, I come up in the bed, like I'm Arabian, keep all the trends, around the stay with them, money 50 10.
Alright, what it do with y'all, baby? I'm back here with another big legendary video, man. Y'all already know the vibes, man. If you ain't here to get lit, then go on about your business, man. Look, some of y'all been trying to get a YouTube channel, right? Y'all been trying to start your YouTube channel, so you a little YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? Trying to start that mug up. Now, how do you get more views? I thought I heard somebody at the door. How you get more views, bro? Your thumbnails, bro. So this what the video gonna be about, bro. I'm gonna teach you how I do my thumbnails, how you get that professional. You know what I'm saying? That classic YouTuber thumbnail, bro. So we're gonna get into the video, man. These some apps that you're gonna need, bro. These are apps that I'm gonna be using, bro. Superimpose X. You're gonna need that mug. You're gonna need Superimpose it. Somebody is here. But you're gonna need Superimpose X. You're gonna need Superimpose X. You're gonna need Fonto. Fonto, anything you doing text-wise, it's on the phone. It's on the phone. Anything you need to do text-wise on your phone, you use Fonto. Fonto is the app to go to, bro. Fonto, I'm telling you. Hold on, I'll be right back. Somebody here. Whoa. Alright, man, so bad. Look, that's all you need, really. I mean, if you want to take it to the top of the tippity top, to the moot, you want to get Facetune, but I don't use Facetune because you gotta kind of pay for Facetune. I ain't doing all that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna use Superimpose X and I'm gonna use Fonto. So look, right here, bang. That's what they look like. Superimpose X right here, and then you got Fonto up here, mount, just like that. Alright, so look, go on to Superimpose X. You feel me? You can see the ones I've already made. You know what I'm saying? Hit the little plus sign. Go back. Hold on. You hit the little plus sign at the bottom right there. You feel me? You choose any picture you want. Let's see what picture I'm gonna choose. I'm gonna go with this one. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go with the 16 by 4, 16 by 9. I mean, 16 by 10, 16 by 9. Nah, I don't wanna do that. I don't wanna do that. I don't wanna do that one. That one look a little weird. Let me find a photo. Hold on. We'll just make this one again. That's what we'll do. We'll just make this one again. How about that? Bam. Yeah, we pay. Alright, so look. 16 by 9. Bam. Choose that. Right? Now you got that there. Now what you gonna do? You don't want to touch nothing. Don't touch nothing yet. Don't touch nothing yet. Press that plus at the bottom right. Not all the way at the bottom, but that right there. It's gonna say photo layer. Hit another one. And you add the same photo again. Add 16 by 9. You know what I'm saying? Because that's the YouTube thing. You feel me? So now you got two different photos, right? So now you can move. If you hit transform, the top layer is the picture on top, the bottom layer is the picture on the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Now you can move these around. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go transform the bottom layer. I'm gonna go to we're gonna go to layers. Edit. You're gonna go to, it's in one of these. I gotta find that mug. It's not in there. Is it tools? Is it tools? No, it's not tools. Distort. Is it distort? No, it's not distort. Uh-oh. Hold on. I gotta find this mug. Adjust. Yeah, what? It's supposed to be in here. Y'all see, I'm still new to the mug, new to the moves. So you know what I'm saying? I gotta find it. Effects. There it is. It's in effects. I hit motion blur. Now this is, make sure you got the back one. Chose. You gotta have the back one, or it's gonna about to be looking funky. So I'll motion blur it out, you know what I'm saying? So I'll go this way. You know what I'm saying? Make it to where it's motion blur. You want to still be able to see it a little bit. But boom. Just like that. Hit the little check mark at the top. Now, what we're gonna do is go to layers. Click on the top one. Go back to editor. We're gonna go to tools. And we're gonna go to no, we ain't gonna go to tools. We're gonna go to mask right here. Mask tool. And we're gonna hit this little, you see the little circle thing, little circle looking like a lasso thing right there that I just clicked on? Bow, you're gonna use that. And now we're just gonna zoom in. Make sure you got the top layer selected. We're gonna zoom in right here. And you're just gonna outline yourself. You feel me? This is how you get that YouTube, that classic, the class done. You feel me? Go all the way down. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I messed up right there. It don't matter though. Cause it's just the bottom part, you feel me? Just the bottom part. See how they ain't gotta have a lot of energy. I'll get you out. I'll catch y'all when I do this whole outline little thing. Cause it's take maybe 30 minutes to do. You feel me? It ain't too bad. It ain't too bad. Bada bing, bada boom. Now once you got it all connected, it all gotta be connected, right? So you see how mine, I outline the whole thing. It's all connected, right? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit the little check mark. Bing! Now I'm outlined, right? Now I'm all good. Now if I hit transform, I can move it. I'm outlined, right? Y'all see it, right? Y'all see that mug. Y'all see that mug. So look, go back to editor so you can move the whole thing. You feel me? I'm gonna make this a little small so you can tell what you're doing in the actual picture. Bang, just like that. Go to over here, go to layers. Make sure I have a top layer. Go to transform, right? Just so I can move it. I'm gonna make it to where it look like I'm blurred out a little bit. Now you don't want, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what that was that just popped up. But look, now it look like I'm different, right? I'm different. Yeah, I'm different. Look, just like that, right? Just like that. That's what you want to do. Now, what you're going to do is make sure your top layer is still up there on the top right. You see how it's blue? I'm changing that's the bottom layer. You want the top layer selected. Go to editor. Go to tools. Go to tools. Then you go to mask outline. Bam, just like that. Now you got the little white thing on the back. On the back of the movie. Just like that. Bam. That's what you want to do. Press the check mark. You do this twice, look. Same thing, press the mask outline again. Make this one to where it looks like that. Go to color, I'll make mine black. Bow, so it looks like it popped out. Just like that. Now, how you get the little color in there? Y'all might be asking. Simple. Simple stuff. Press a little plus right there. You press photo layer. Go to colors. And you choose your color. I'm gonna go with a nice, I want green. So I'm gonna go with a nice, like, bright looking green. Right there, that green, right? You're gonna scroll down to 16.9, same little thing. Bam. Now, just fix it. Now, transform. You see how it's little right there? You just hit fit the canvas. Bam. Now you can't see nothing, right? You're like, well, what you doing? You can't see nothing. All you do, take it, drag it over the top. Just like that, you know what I'm saying? Now what you want to do is you want to go to layers again. You want to go to blend. You want to go to overlay. Wow, now you got that nice little Disney look. You feel me? Now it's the little good look right now. Feel me? And then the opacity, I just bring down the opacity a little bit to like right there. Man, so it don't look too different. Boom. Now you good. Transform. I want them to be able to see me being kind of motion blurred out a little bit. Bow. Now what you want to do is, since you done with that, It's all simple stuff. You hit photos, just like that. Now we go over to Fonto, right? Boom, go to Fonto. This is the easiest part. Yeah, that's the hard part. The hard part's done. Okay, you got all the other stuff. All you're gonna do is just tap anywhere on the screen. Hit plain images. Go to black. Tap the little top up there. See the top where it say 2048 by 2048? That ain't it. You don't want that. That ain't it. What you want to do is you go to 1920. Just type it in. By 1080. That's YouTube right there. It's YouTube thumbnails. Press the little thing up at the top. Use. Now, you want to press these 3 lines at the bottom right here. Not 3 dots. 3 lines. The 3 lines. You want to hit the lines. Hit them 3 lines right there. Add image. Bow right there. The one you just did. Hit done. It's gonna be small. Move that mug to the middle. Size that mug out. Move it over. Boom. Just like that. To where it fill the whole thing. Now you tap anywhere on the little white thing. Add text. And I'm gonna just do for the video how to. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna pop up like that. Now you just go to style. I add some stroke to it, so it has a little red background. Oh, not background, but outline on there. I add alpha all the way up, turn the blur down a little bit. That just gives it that little. You see that little black in the back? That's what you do. Now, how to. I go to size. Y'all see if you want. Just like that. Just like that. Boom. Then I'm gonna go make. all caps, make, do the same thing, right? Stroke, make that mug red, style, alpha all the way up, blur down, put it up to right there. How to make and I dope. Then I'm gonna do this one like this. Dope thumbnails, right? Just gonna put the size down right there so it's on there. Just like that. Style. As a matter of fact, nah, you see, I'm gonna do this. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this. Go back to text. Go back here. Just so I can have it all on there at once, just like that. Have it spaced out. Style. Stroke. All the way up, you know what I'm saying? So it's red. Go to style at the top. Alpha all the way up. Turn to blur. And you just gonna do this. You know what I'm saying? Now you got dope thumbnails right there. Wow. Now you looking a little sick. It's starting to come together. You starting to see it, right? Now, add text. I do an emoji. You know what I'm saying? So I'll be like, shh, icy. I want to do the icy one. You know what I'm saying? So size. And you can do the same thing with this dude. So, style. I give him some stroke. Okay, you can't do the same thing. But you can do the alpha. I know that. Boom. Turn the blur down. So it looks thick. So it looks thick. Then I'll size it down a little bit. Size gotta come down a little bit more. And I'm gonna do another one. It's gonna be fire. You feel me? Just like this. I gotta find my fire emoji. I know it should be in my same one. Oh Lord. Hold on, let me search. Fire. You feel me? Bam. Fire emoji. Just like that. Same thing. Style. Alpha. Turn the blur down. Get that mug to where it's up to the right a little bit. And you just put that mug right there. Now you got the little how to make dope thumbnails. Now you got everything situated. I get my spacings right. You feel me? So I got boom, boom. I got my spacings right. You looking straight. You know what I'm saying? Your thumbnail is gonna be sick. You know what I'm saying? Now I might put a little on. Hit return. iPhone. You know what I'm saying? And I'll put like a little boom. Just like that. Same thing. Same style. You know what I'm saying? Stroke. Red. Style up at the top. Alpha. Blur all the way down. That like that. That like that. On iPhone. Put size down. You know what I'm saying? And I might do a little like tilt. Just so it's not on my face. You feel me? Or if you like me and don't really care about your face, then I just go boom. And I just put that in the corner. You feel me? Make it a little sizable so people notice it. Just like that. Now your thumbnail is pretty much complete, bro. You know what I'm saying? One thing you want to do, actually, here's another thing I do to my thumbnails, right? So you hit the little thing, the little square with the little arrow, it look like a messed up Mitch's house. That's what you hit that right there, right? Save image. You must save successfully. Go back to superimpose X. What you want to do is you want plus. Come on now. You want to hit the little plus button, right? You want to go to photos, the one you just clicked on. Hit that mug, and what you want to do is go plus photo layer. And then I just looked this up on Google. And then I went to Eraser and it made it transparent. You can watch another video. I'll post a video on how you make like stuff transparent. But look, it's just a border. So I go to my borders right here. This mug right here. Go by. Oh, it's 1920 by 1080 right there. Bow. You know what I'm saying? Go to transform, and I just move this mug to where it's bordering my thing, you feel me? So, I'll move this out the way. There we go. To where it's bordering my vids, you know what I'm saying? You got a nice little border going. You just want a border. That's all you want, a little border. Little border. Just like that. Boom, now you got a little border on your stuff. I mean, I might post that mug a little bit. Boom. Now you got a border, right? And your thumbnail is pretty much complete. Complete T. Just like that. When I move, you move. Just like that. Okay. Boom. Hit a little thing. Say that to your photos. I love it. You know what I'm saying? Maybe later they try and ask you to do feedback, but I'm gonna make sure it's saved again. So I'm gonna say that to your photos again. I got the little check mark. Your thumbnail's pretty much complete. That's what it's gonna look like, bruh. So I'm gonna get you a little thing, bruh. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty much what your thumbnail is gonna look like. Just like that. You know what I'm saying? If you can see that mug. You know what I'm saying? Got the good little border all the way around. As a matter of fact, that border's kind of messed up on the edge right there. So I'm gonna move it a little bit just so it's all right there. Now the mug don't want to work. Now the mug don't want to work. See, it takes a little twerking. Not twerking, but tweaking. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Now your border's straight. Say that to my phone. Just like that, and then whenever you put it up, you go to, I'm going to show you how to edit your actual thing. So look, I'm going to go to YouTube Studio. Just like so. Let's just say I want to change the best Google pickup lines, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, 204, I got 4 subscribers, hey! But look, go to videos. No, videos. You just click on this mug, right? Click edit. Hit the little, edit little pencil right there on the side thing, and then just change thumbnail. And then you click it from the top like that. But that's how you do your thumbnails, bro. That's how I do my stuff. That's how I get my thumbnails to look the way they look. You can see the thumbnail on my actual thing right now. The best Google pickup lines. That's exactly how I did that, bro. But like I said, bro, that's pretty much the end of this mug, bro. How you get your little thumbnails. If y'all like this mug, y'all want me to do more how-to videos, bro, like, comment, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Tell me what I should do next, what y'all trying to figure out how I be doing, how I edit. I'll show y'all how I edit my videos and stuff, bro. I edit my stuff on a computer, though, so it's gonna be a little bit different. But anyways, like I said, man, y'all didn't know the motto. If you're not here to get lit, then go on about your business, man. Yes, sir.
Sipping Arabian.